Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuides.com. In today's video, I'm going to go over the three basic question types in the free LifterLMS core. So the first one is multiple choice, and the multiple choice question type allows you to enter your question here, and you can enter as many options as you'd like. I believe actually it goes to 26. I think it caps you off with all of the letters in the alphabet. I'll just test that out real quick here. Yep. So we can go A through Z with the multiple choice question type. I don't know if you're ever going to be in a situation where you need that many answers, but it is available if you do. With the LifterLMS question types, you can have descriptions on questions, images, or videos. The image one is very popular if you have a math equation, for example, and that can't be typed into the box here. You can take a screenshot in a Google presentation or something and upload that here. You can also have a video. It's recommended to not upload these to your site, so that's why you can embed a video here from YouTube or Vimeo or wherever. So that's the first question type, multiple choice. And then the second question type is picture choice. This would be a great example, again, of the math questions. If you have equations or maybe the answers cannot be typed into a multiple choice question format, you can have images here as well. So that's very good, and I believe this one will also go A through Z. And then the third question type is true or false, and this one is very similar to multiple choice in that you have true or false, and then all of the same description, image, video, results clarification, but you can only have the two true false there. And you can change what these say if you want to add in your own text there as well. But yeah, that's a brief overview of the basic LifterLMS question types. LifterLMS does have an advanced quizzes add-on that unlocks a couple more, and I'll be going into these question types in a future video. If you have anything you want to see in a future video, feel free to drop it down in the comments. And thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.